Welcome to my first YouTube channel and the DAX series and just introduction to DAX. So a whole lot of people will always say, "Oh, I don't understand that. I'm always confused with DAX." So we'll just be doing just a little bit of introduction to DAX, just simple, basic introduction to DAX. So what is DAX? DAX is DAX and it is data analysis expression. As the name is, data, you are trying to analyze and you're trying to express yourself. Simple. And how do you express yourself? So right now, if you see this is a simple visualization that we've done. We have the numbers here with a card visual, we have a table visual, we have a bar chart. Yes, a bar chart, and this is a bar chart, and we have the different things, and this is our data. We have the different data that we have. We have our calendar, we have our country. This is the country. We have product, this product. We have sales data. So these are sales data, and this sales data increases every day, every week, every month. So it increases. We call them incremental data sets. And we have our segment. And if you notice that our incremental data has different columns, we have our segment, country, product, unique sold, manufacturing price, sales price, gross sales, and we have the sales itself. This sales is so important because we'll be using it. You remember, you want to add, so how much did you bring in, the revenue and stuff like that. We have the cost of goods sold, and we have the date in which it was being sold. And we have the different dates like that. And this is our model view where we are connecting. So your country, remember your country has to be unique, connect to the incremental one. So maybe they buy it in France today, in USA tomorrow, in Washington, in let's say Ukraine next tomorrow. Anywhere your product has been sold. So your incremental data will always keep changing, keep increasing. But your countries are always unique. So if you have 5 countries in which your product is being sold, it's 5. So, but in your sales data, the 5 countries can be 1 million data sets because it's always increasing. So we have our product, we have our segment, and we have our calendar. So now DAX works with columns and works with table. That is it. It works with column, works with tables. It doesn't work with cells. It works with column and table. And another thing about DAX is that is the language of Power BI. Is the language of Power BI. If you want to modify the way you analyze your data and stuff like that. So it is the language. So that is what you should look at. And we'll be going in our next video. We'll be talking about our first DAX. We call them pillar DAX. They are standalone measures. To subscribe, get your notification on so that you'll be able to watch the other videos in the DAX series.